I'll walk you through changing the page color in Microsoft Word in this lesson. Changing the page backdrop is easy, whether you want to add some originality or make your work stand out. Go to the Design tab at the top of Word. On the right side, click Page Color next to Page Borders and Watermark. Choose a color from the Theme options, or click More Colors to customize. For a specific color, go to the Custom tab and enter an RGB or hex code. To remove the color, click Page Color again and select No Color. This will restore the standard white background. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.